We've been talking about this name a lot recently, and it is Ford. They reported last night, and today it is your trade of the day. And I think that this one was kind of easy because we were only looking one way long. They reported a monster quarter, one of the best of 2021s. I think them and Microsoft really impressive. You're going to see today up that 9%. It was up even more than that, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But they reinstated a dividend. They guided forward, better revenues, everything. We are very happy. Nice earnings per share number as well. We start the day off real early here with just come in, take a little bid down here at 1670. We let it fall back in. We've been hit taking pre-market trades, so we don't take a whole bunch, and then we get out right away for 25 cents. Right as it takes out 17, comes back in, we let it pop up, and then we get it out right away, right off the open. Look at this big spike here. This is a 1 minute chart, a nice spike. 1672 out right there, about 1720 or so on that out, but it does rip all the way to the high side here, about 1750. We miss out on that opportunity. That kind of sucks. I put a 10 multiple on this name, so $1.80 times 10, $18. That's pretty good, man, getting up to there. 1760, should have took more out, but we don't. That's okay, because then we reloaded. We let this thing drop all the way down. Remember, we're flat. We get more here at that same price. We're trying to defend 17. So we take some more, then we take some more at this, I'll stay over to this side. Then we take some more at this bottom one more time, 1680 or so. Lucky enough to be sitting there for sure. Sits there, gets hit, bang, right to the upside. Out on all of these wicks. And again, you know, normally when it's earnings season, we wait for these moons to happen and for the stock to go crazy. But this is Ford. It's already up 10%. Super great trade already. So I'm not sure how much more room this does have. Very heavily traded name. So we're just finding some of these limits again, right? So out on the top side, after taking some more longs, just staying long, right? Then, you know, during lunch, not doing too much, comes back into this area. Unfortunately, not at my desk, but we come back in now, get ready for the afternoon show. Notice this place again, take some more at 1680, get some out again at 1690, 95 there. We're going to see where Ford goes the rest of the day. I think we test volume weighted average price, which is right there at 17. Let's see if Ford can go to the upside now. I don't think we see 1760, but we like this name. We've trimmed some in our long-term portfolio, but I think we get to 18, 19, 20, then we start to empty them all out. I think this is a great move for Ford here today. Congratulations anybody holding this. Tale of two tapes really. GM yesterday, not so good today. Ford, nice little bump. This is your trade of the day.